Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of English. And in English, we will be concentrating today on English language grammar part. And in that, the first chapter which we will be studying is the sentence types. Right? We all know what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of word which have some meaning or some sense, right? They should have a subject as well as a predicate, we all know. But then what we really want to study is how many types of different kinds of sentences are there, right? So let us see. बोलते या लिखते समय हम शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हैं, प्राय इन शब्दों के को हम समूह कहते हैं. गॉड इज ग्रेट, ईश्वर महान है, गांधी जी वॉज अ ग्रेट लीडर, गांधी जी महान नेता थे. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिसमें पूर्ण भाव व्यक्त हो से सेंटेंस कहते हैं. सो दिस इज द definition of this word sentence, right? So we need to understand this. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह मतलब फर्स्टली इट शुड बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड देन जिससे पूर्ण भाव व्यक्त हो मतलब मीन्स इंटायर मीनिंग शुड बी inculcated, entire meaning should come out. Ram goes. Now see, if we translate it into Hindi, it becomes Ram jata hai, right? But where is he going is not clear. Why is he going is not clear. So this is an incomplete. It is a group of words, but the meaning is not clear, right? So it will going to be called a sentence. Now kinds of sentence. वाक्य सेंटेंस चार प्रकार के होते हैं: असर्टिव, इंटरोगेटिव, इंपरेटिव एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी, राइट? ओके, असर्टिव से सूचना या घटना का होने का ज्ञान होता है, right? So it did tell us about some happening. We should respect teachers. He did his best. Socrates was no coward. Alan could not play the match. You see, in all these four sentences here, they are all telling, revealing about something which is happening there, some event which is happening there. So collectively you will be calling them as assertive sentences, right? Now see, this assertive sentences is of two types: affirmative and negative. Negative sentence will have words like no, not, as well as affirmative will be those sentences which do not have these words, right? उनमें ये no या नहीं word नहीं होते हैं. affirmative या positive sentences एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. अफर्मेटिव से किसी कार्य के होने की सूचना मिलती है. इंडिया वन द मैच, वाल्मीकि रोड द रामायण. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में कार्य के न होने की सूचना मिलती है. ही इज नेवर नर्वस, ही फियर्ड नन, राइट? मतलब इनमें काम नहीं होगा, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट अफर्मेटिव मीन्स yes, some work has happened, and negative means no. So we can write affirmative yes and negative as no, not, never, or such kinds of words you will find in the sentence if it's a negative one, right? Now next is interrogative. Interrogative means to ask questions. So these sentences will be trademarked by something very very unique, and that is a question mark. Will you go here? Will you go there? Did you pass? See the question mark. Question mark is always there. How are you? Where do you live? राइट? प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य दो प्रकार के होते हैं. ये वाक्य जो क्रिया से आरंभ होते हैं और वो जो अर्थात जिन के आरंभ में प्रश्न सूचक शब्द नहीं होता है. एंड सेकंड, ये वाक्य जो प्रश्न सूचक शब्दों से आरंभ होते हैं, राइट? इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस मीन्स में आज्ञा, विनय या परामर्श मीन्स इट्स एन ऑर्डर और advice or request, anything quite like that, right? Be quiet, it's an order. Have mercy upon us, it's because see children, we are here, imperative sentences, we are studying this. Be quiet, have mercy upon us, which is a request. Never tell a lie, which is an advice. Do not make a noise, which is a prohibition. Then we have the fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, here is some expression will be there. Expression like आश्चर्य, शोक, हर्ष आदि की भावनाएं. हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज द रेन, एंड सी दैट exclamatory mark. आपने देखा था in interrogative sentences there was a question mark. Here you will find an exclamatory mark. How cold the day is. Again an exclamatory mark. Now let us try to do some sentences here. First, Surdas was blind. This is an information. So this is an assertive sentence. The earth is round. Another information. So assertive, right? So truth. Let me see something. See the last one. What an idea, and see the exclamatory mark is there. Then see the 13th one. Are you ill? There is a question mark. You will find it to be interrogative because there is a question mark, right? March forward. See the 11th one. It's an imperative. It's an order to march forward, right? And this is how you need to do. These are the different kinds. So in this chapter we have learned that what is a sentence is a group of words which have a meaning or complete sense. Then the types of sentences like assertive, then imperative, then interrogative, and exclamatory. Assertive is that something is happening or something will not happen, it's an information. Imperative is an order, request, or advice. Interrogative is a question which is asked, and exclamatory is expression. Right? I hope you have understood it well and enjoyed this session as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.